Hello, today we're talking about clutter and putting on your blinders. It's important, if you're a sidetracked person, to have something that keeps you focused. And the things that I offer you to stay focused are a timer, staying in one spot, having a box, a bag, and a basket, and a purpose to begin decluttering. So if you don't have a timer, you're not going to know what time it is. You're going to keep going and going and going. You're going to overwork, and then you'll never want to do it again. A lot of us want to just go, 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 go. We want to see a difference. And then we get maybe a whole room cleaned or a whole closet cleaned, and we spent several hours. And guess what? When it comes to do the next thing, you don't want to do that anymore. So put on your blinders, set your timer for 15 minutes. Plant your feet like they're stapled to the floor. You cannot leave that spot. So go to the bathroom before you get started. Get a drink of water before you get started. Make sure you're not hungry. And then start putting your throwaway in the garbage bag, your giveaway in the box, and your put away in another place in the basket. Make it a great day.